The wind is blowing above 20 miles per hour winds. But it's really dark, but you can see the winds blowing pretty hard. But as you can see, the wind is blowing pretty hard. But luckily, we did not lose power. But it's too hard to see, but I don't know if everybody can see, but it's blowing pretty hard. It's really strong. It's blowing pretty hard. Oh, I just turn off the lights so everyone can see how strong the wind blows. Wow, it's blowing pretty hard. But I can see it, it's blowing pretty hard. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.